When you're shopping headlamps for work, brightness obviously important, but it's not the only thing that matters. Contractors, technicians, inspectors, and industrial workers usually ask a few other questions too. Will it last through the shift? Is it comfortable enough to wear for hours? Can it handle rain, dust, and job site abuse? And can I actually operate it while I'm wearing gloves? And today, we're looking at 3 of Nitecore's most popular work headlamps: the HC60 UHE, the HC65 UHE, and the HC75 UHE. All 3 deliver plenty of power for professional use, but each one is built around slightly different priorities. So let's break it down on how to choose the right one for your work. Whether you're inspecting equipment, checking utility infrastructure, or lighting up a job site after dark, having enough light makes the job easier and faster. The HC60 delivers up to 1600 lumens, which is already more than enough for most professional tasks. Prioritize efficiency with an 8-lumen ultra-low mode that can run up to 200 hours. That can be very useful in emergency situation, equipment check, or any task where maximum runtime matters. The HC60 is the lightest model here, at just under 5 ounces. If comfort and simplicity matter most, this is where the HC60 really makes sense. It's a 2-button design, give you a quick access to white light, red light, turbo, and ultra-low without much of a learning curve. If you want a reliable work light that does exactly what you expect, the HC60 is hard to beat. The HC65 steps things up to 2000 lumens, an increased beam distance from 171 yards to 243 yards, giving you more reach when working in a large space. The HC65 trades a little runtime for more output, more reach, and additional lighting options. It adds more output, more beam distance, and an auxiliary white light without a major jump in weight. That's why it feels like the sweet spot for a lot of professional users. Built on the same simple interface, but adds a dedicated auxiliary white light that's perfectly useful for close-range tasks like checking a label or work inside an electric panel. Add functionality without adding much complexity. Then there is the HC75. With up to 3000 lumen, it's the most powerful headlamp of the 3. But honestly, the biggest advantage isn't the lumen number, it's the beam control. The HC75 lets you adjust the beam from a wide flat beam to a focused spotlight using its dedicated zoom button. That can be extremely useful in an industrial environment. One moment you may need a wide beam to light up the entire work area, the next you may need a tighter spotlight to check the equipment farther away. So instead of carrying multiple lights or constantly repositioning yourself, you can just adjust the beam to fit the task. It upgrades to a larger 5500 mAh battery, which doesn't just support 3000 lumen maximum output. It also helps the HC75 maintain a higher brightness level for a much longer period of time. If you're regularly relying on a high output, the larger battery becomes a real advantage. The HC75 carries more weight because of the large battery and the focus system. At 7.4 ounces, it's still very wearable, but you'll notice the difference compared to the HC60 and the HC65 during a long shift. While the HC75 takes a different approach. Instead of traditional mode button, it uses a dedicated zoom button to control the beam shape. That means brightness and beam shape are controlled separately. For workers who regularly switch between area lighting and long-distance inspection, it gives you more control and more flexibility. There is a bit more to learn, but that's the trade-off of having the most capable lighting system of the 3. The good news, you don't have to choose between these 3 when it comes to durability, because all of them is IP68 and 2-meter impact resisting. That means rain, dust, mud, job site debris, and everyday abuse aren't going to be a problem. Whether you work in outdoor or inside an industrial facility, all 3 are built to handle a demanding professional use. Nobody shops for headlamps because of the button until they're wearing gloves or trying to make a quick adjustment in the middle of the job. So which one should you buy? Choose the HC60 UHE if comfort and simplicity are the top priority. It's the lightest, easier to learn, and still give you plenty of power for professional work. Choose the HC65 UHE if you want the best balance of performance, features, and portability. You get more output than the HC60, longer reach, and that useful auxiliary white light for close-range tasks. Honestly, for most people, this is going to be the easiest one to recommend. Choose the HC75 UHE if your work demands maximum capability and versatility. You get the most power, the largest battery, and the most flexible beam control. I mean, there is really not a wrong choice here, because all 3 are durable, waterproof, USB-C rechargeable, and capable of handling a demanding work environment. The difference is simply deciding which one works best for your work. If you're using one of them, let me know in the comments below what type of work you do and which one of these models work best for your needs.